Kung pag-uusapan natin ang dream house, ganito kalaki talaga yung gusto ko. Okay guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Enclave and i-feature natin itong 21 million na bahay. It's a 4-bedroom, very elegant and modern, tapos corner unit pa siya.
Ikaw anong gagawin natin
Magti-tiktok tayo.
Magla-live ka? Oo, nag-live ka na. Bedroom nun. Di ba? Parang master bedroom.
And action.
Feeling ko bro, hindi na natin video to. Bibilin na natin eh.
Pwede na, no?
Pwede na.
21M.
Okay na sa'yo to eh.
Oo, pwede na to. Hi guys! It's my second time na siguro na mag-feature ng high-end na property, which is itong bahay na to is 21 million. Naisip ko lang, parang I've been dreaming of getting a property like this. Kung pag-uusapan natin ang dream house, ganito kalaki talaga yung gusto ko. Kasi imagine yung floor space niya is 260 square meters, tapos fully furnished na. And naisip ko lang, while working towards achieving that dream house, naisip ko lang na I'm still far pala from getting my dream house. Pero I'm so glad na at least nakapag-start small muna ako. Pero at the same time, syempre hindi tayo titigil hanggat ma-achieve natin yung ganitong bahay. Everything's made convenient. My furnitures na, even if you are very picky sa design and interior ng bahay, nakita ko na very detailed si owner sa pagpili ng mga appliances, furnitures, and even yung small details ng house. Meron siyang, parang in-incorporate niya yung mga personal preferences niya.
So guys, nag-shoot kami ng mga properties dito sa Angeles City kasama ang buong creative team.
I think this is our second na house na shoot for this year. So, tuloy-tuloy tayo niyan. Pinaka nag-stand out sa akin is the master bedroom. Kasi yung master bedroom is very spacious. Na even if you put a king-size bed over there, ang lawak pa ng space na pwede mong lakaran. And at the same time, meron siyang sariling walk-in closet. So, very essential kasi yun sa mga women like us. Siyempre, kung saan natin ilalagay yung mga apparels natin, wardrobe, and OOTDs. And, lalo na, yung banyo niya is also spacious as well. So, parang ginawa itong house na to with lots and lots of space. Then, yung mga other features ng house na to na I really like the most aside from the master bedroom and the space is the high ceiling. Iba kasing impact kapag pumasok ka sa house, tapos ang taas ng ceiling. Parang napaka-aliwalas, dagdagan mo pa ng mga glass windows, glass doors, ganyan. Parang aliwalas sa loob.
Ako gusto ko yung may free room na pwedeng maging editing cave, gano'n.
Man cave?
Man cave!
Ganda din.
Sa akin naman, nagustuhan ko yung open layout nitong ground floor. Kasi nakikita mo lahat, so hindi ka mamimiss out kung ano yung ginagawa nila sa living area, sa dining. So, eto talagang space dito sa baba. So, made talaga siya for group. Add ko din yung sa high ceiling kasi hindi lang itong sa living area yung high ceiling. Even yung master bedroom, yung floor to ceiling height niya, mas mataas siya compared dun sa mga regular rooms sa second floor.
We're gonna check yung isa pa nating property na i-feature, which is near Clark din. This one is located along Friendship Highway lang. And if you're familiar with Koreatown, ayan, paglabas natin, that's it. You're already in Koreatown, turn right, you're already in Friendship Highway, and a few minutes, you're in Clark. So I think that's a big factor sa mga clients na gustong manirahan near Clark.
Speaking of Koreatown, di mo tayo magla-lunch muna?
Yeah, we're gonna take lunch after this kasi I'm hungry now.
Let's go!
Let's go!
Moonlight, your eyes shine bright. In a world so busy, you make everything right.
Ang Koreatown sa mga famous when it comes to samgyups.
R&B flow, feel the night take flight with every single move, everything.
Okay, so second destination natin, nandito naman tayo sa Savannah Plains. So ito yung feature nating bahay.